After yesterday's Burevi cyclone, which exited from the northeast side of the country without major harm, and today the sea was a bit rough. Yesterday was calm because the wind was blowing against the waves, and today it's a bit rough. Probably the after effects or the side effect of the cyclone. In our lives also, what you do, what I do, have so many after effects and side effects. And we need to recognize that. The virtue is not inbuilt in us. We need to acquire the virtue. And I realize, particularly during this lockdown period, for me to be really enrich myself physically, spiritually, mentally, I need to really do something realistically. The most damaging entities of within me is my eyes, my ears, and my mouth. I see a lot of ugly things. I hear rubbish. I sometimes speak the poisonous things. So I thought, really, it is harming me. It is harming the virtue that I should have been as a human being. And I began to cleanse my eyes, not to see ugly things. We come across so many ugly things, sometimes we entrench in embracing those things to continue to see that. And then we hear rubbish, either through the TV or news or from various people, continuously. Hear rubbish. Secondly, we utter things without our knowledge. Sometimes it is very poisonous. It kills people around us. And I decided, every day when I come in the morning, when I walk, and when I think about it, I begin to cleanse my eyes, cleanse my ears and my mouth to ensure that virtue is not really, I'm born with it. I have to build it myself. I have to create it myself. I have to evoke myself. I have to, step by step, ensure that it rises in me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what is indeed lacking in the world. The people are looking for it, but it's not there. And how can it be there? It is you and I have to deliver it. It is you and I have to deliver the virtue based on what we see, what we hear, what we speak. Like the three monkeys. Refuse to see, refuse to hear, refuse to speak. That's not the order of the day. But refuse to see the ugly things. Refuse to hear the rubbish. Refuse to speak the poisonous things. Will cleanse your mind and enable you to think that many things are possible to enrich yourself and your virtue, rise up in your virtue, and thereby impacting the people around you all the time. What you see is not only important for you, important for others. What you hear is not only important for you, important for others. What you speak, not only relevant to you, relevant to others. Therefore, time to cleanse our eyes and our ears and our mouth and make sure that we build our virtues moment by moment.